Hi, thank you for coming to nationwideconstructionloans.com, and today we're just going to go do a really quick video on how to fill out a standard 1003, or what most people consider the loan application. So on the home page, if you click on the construction loan application download, the standard loan application can be found there. In order to access it, you just simply have to type in the password in there, which the password is home, HOME. Click the submit button, and you'll have access to the entire construction loan application package. The item that we're looking to fill out today is the standard loan application. If you click on that, you can download it to your desktop or open it. I already have it opened right here. So this right here is your standard uniform uniform residential loan application. So whenever you fill out a mortgage paperwork or anything to do with a mortgage of any kind, construction loan, this is your standard loan application. I'm just going to go over real quick the important items. And one of the most important items on the application right on the top there is the loan amount that you're looking to borrow. So a lot of families have an idea of what size loan amount they don't want to exceed. So I would put that number in here as far as what you think this loan amount is going to be. So if you think it's going to be $500,000, type in or handwrite $500,000 right there. Interest rate, terms, all that we can figure out later. If you want to fill that in, it's okay. The subject property address is important so that we know what property, where your property is located, and what state, city. And the next section that you want to fill out is right here. The item that's important, of course, is not only is it a single family residence, but also whether it's a construction, a perm loan, or a construction loan. So just click on the item. Most people fill out the construction, a perm. The next item that is important is right here. That item is when you bought the land, what year, what was the original cost, the amount of existing liens that you still owe on the land, the present value, whether it's estimated or if you actually know what the actual value is currently, and any improvements you've made to the property. Add all those totals together, and there's your total here. The next item that is important is your name, address, social security numbers, phone numbers, date of births, all your typical information, your present address where you currently live, whether you own or rent, and how many years. A lot of people leave this blank right here, and that's actually an important little item. Also, that's important is the social security number, but if you can make it, make sure that you make it legible. Sometimes we receive applications and it's hard to figure out what the numbers are. And also the date of birth and years in school. All these things are important, and so if you can fill that out properly, that'd be great. Your employer, pretty self-explanatory. Name, address, the business phone number, how many years you've worked on the job, and that sort of thing. The next section that's important is your monthly gross income. A lot of families, what they'll do is fill out their yearly income, but just put in your monthly income for the borrower or the co-borrower, total it up, and then we can work with those numbers. As far as the your present rental or home ownership numbers, you just put those numbers in here. The proposed is simply going to be your new house, what the new mortgage payment is going to be. You can skip that because we'll fill that in for you. And also the next most important items are the liquid assets. This is crucial in today's marketplace. Last year it didn't matter how much liquidity you pretty much had in your bank accounts for qualifying, but in 2008 it's extremely important. So if you have money, $50,000 in your checking, put that there. If you have whatever kind of numbers you have to work with, just put the numbers in there. And this item right here is crucial as well. That's your retirement fund, your 401k. So if you have money in there, make sure you put that number in here. That counts towards your liquidity. This section right here, the liabilities, is really not that important to fill out because we'll fill that in automatically. We'll automatically populate it when we pull your credit report. So we'll put that information in for you. And also real estate owned. You want to put in all the real estate that you own in here, the present market value, the amount of the liens. That's important as well. A lot of families have not issues, but they can never figure out what needs to go in here. Well, you know what? You don't need to fill in the details of the transaction, so you can leave this section blank. Declarations. These are really quick and easy questions, such as, are you a U.S. citizen? You just check yes or no and fill out that information. Sign it, date it, fax it over to us, let us provide you with a pre-qualification, and it's pretty much that simple. And again, if you have any questions, you can always call us at 866-211-3344, ask for Rick, and you can always find us on the internet at nationwideconstructionloans.com. Thank you.